Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you how you can return your damaged or wrong product which you receive from Amazon. So guys, I am sure that one or two times at least you have received some wrong or damaged product from Amazon or any other websites. So this video is going to be especially for Amazon products, because recently I have purchased a eyeshadow palette. This is from Hilary Rhoda. I have received this palette, but I have ordered the colorful palette which was palette number 2, and I received this neutral palette which is palette number 1. So I received completely a wrong palette, and I was really worried how to return it or exchange it, because there was no return policy. And especially most of the makeup products on any websites don't have the return policy, because makeup products are it's not hygienic to return it for, because if you return it, it will be given to any other customer, so that is not hygienic. So they don't normally have the return policy in their website. So what if you receive a wrong product or a damaged product? Because that is not completely your fault. You are getting a wrong product, and your money is completely wasted. So what we can do for that? So when I received this product, I was really upset and worried that what will I do with this product, because I have already many neutral palettes and I don't need any more. So I desperately wanted to return it. So then I go through the site thoroughly, and I called their customer care, and the lady who spoke to me was really very sweet. She refunded my money within 3 days, and also she said that you can keep this palette as a gift from Amazon. And I am like, what? I was really surprised that they don't take it from me. They just said that you can keep it as a gift, because it was completely surprising for me. Obviously I don't needed this palette, I wanted to return it, but they said that you don't have to return it, just keep it. So I am really very impressed with the customer services of Amazon, and I am really very happy guys, and I will show you how I did that in a bit. So I have also make a video on this palette. I mean, I have shown all the swatches of this palette. So if you haven't checked it, just go and check it out. That is on the I button. Just click it and check that video out if you really want to know how this palette works for me. And I have also faced this same kind of problem with Flipkart, and what I have done with that, I have also made a separate video on that, the return policy and exchange policy of Flipkart. So all my experiences and all, so I have also attached that video on the I button. So just go and check that out also, because that is also very informative. So I will be really very glad if you check those videos also. And so now, without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So first you have to open the app Amazon and go to their home page and click on your orders. After clicking that, select the item which you want to return. Then click on return or replace items. So you can see here is no return policy in this product. So for that you have to go to the home page again and go to the bottom and click on customer service. Then again go to the bottom and click on contact us. Then click on call us. Then select the item which you want to return. Then click on cancel or return an item. Then click on request a return or replacement. Then click on continue to customer service. Then you have to select the language which you want to talk with them, and finally click on call me now. and after that Amazon will contact you automatically in some times and your problem will be solved.
मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी कि आपने जैसे कि बताया कि आपने सेट 2 मंगवाया था, मैंने भी यहाँ से चेक किया कि सेट 2 ही आपने मंगवाया हुआ है।
हाँ
लेकिन आपने जैसे कि बताया कि आपको सेट 1 मिला हुआ है, तो इसके रिकॉर्डिंग में एक बार यहाँ से चेक कर लेती हूँ अभी मैम कि
हाँ
मेरे पास क्या ऑप्शन आ रहा है, मैं आपको वो भी प्रोवाइड करती हूँ। ठीक है, 1 मिनट आप लाइन पे रहिएगा।
ठीक है।
मैम मेरे पास पूरी की पूरी अमाउंट का रिफंड का ऑप्शन आ रहा है, तो क्या मैं पूरी अमाउंट रिफंड इनिशिएट करवा दूं मैम मैं यहाँ से?
ये रिटर्न नहीं होगा क्या?
जी मैम, मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी कुछ ऑर्डर्स होते हैं नॉन रिटर्नेबल प्रोडक्ट रहते हैं, जैसे कोई भी कॉस्मेटिक सामान रहता है ना मेकअप वगैरह का,
हाँ
तो वो नॉन रिटर्नेबल रहते हैं। तो अगर कोई भी ऑर्डर नॉन रिटर्नेबल रहता है ना, तो हम उसे वापस नहीं ले पाते, लेकिन हाँ अगर उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो हम यहाँ से रिफंड इनिशिएट कर देते हैं मैम।
हाँ तो फिर कर
अभी हम
दीजिए।
जी, तो मैं यहाँ से रिफंड इनिशिएट कर रही हूँ।
So that is it for today guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends because this video may help them also. And also share your comments with me whether you have also faced this kind of problem and what have you done with that. I will like to know about those things. So until next time, stay happy, stay safe and stay tuned. Bye bye guys.